Here we are at the front of number 21 Wistow Chase in Wollert. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, no double garage. This is could be your view. There's a lovely park over there. Shops are nearby. Here's the house itself. A little bit of state driveway here, but any car can get up here quite easily. So we come up here to the front door. There is an alarm system throughout. It's got ducted heating and ducted cooling. Here's the main bedroom. Got floorboards throughout, so no carpet. Some nice white sheer curtains that have been left by the last tenant. Here's a walk-in robe. Ensuite. Hallway. This is double garage, which also has rear access and plenty of storage here for 2 cars, plus more. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. The hallway here with linen cupboard there. Bathroom with separate bath and shower. Toilet. Fourth bedroom. Nice laundry with rear access. More storage here. Now here's one of the living areas. So this would be a dining area or a lounge area. We've also got this area here, which again could be a lounge area or a living area. Kitchen, stone bench, plus one over here on this. Oven, dishwasher, plenty of storage. Which leads outside, and there's also this other room here, like a media room, studio room, even an office, you name it. And down here is your alfresco and low maintenance rear and side yards. Side yard, alfresco, and the grass here, ready for day like today. Chill out, have a drink, read a book, and a little side yard.